If your garage door makes that annoying squeaking noise every time it opens or closes, you gotta fix it fast to keep things smooth and quiet. Okay, first thing you want to do is grab some lubricant, like a good silicone spray or garage door oil. You know, something that won't gunk up the works. Spray it on the rollers and hinges. Those spots usually get all dry and creaky. Don't forget to wipe off any old grease or dirt before you spray, or it won't work as good. Also, check if any parts look rusty or worn out. Sometimes a little cleaning goes a long way. If your door has metal tracks, give those a quick clean, but don't put oil there. Just a dry wipe is fine. After lubing, open and close the door a few times to spread everything evenly. Doing this every few months keeps the noise away and your door running smooth. And hey, if you're not comfy doing this yourself, calling a pro is always a smart move. One of the biggest mistakes with fixing squeaky garage doors is using the wrong lubricant, like WD-40 or grease, which can actually attract dirt and make things worse. Instead, go for silicone-based sprays made for garage doors. Another common problem is ignoring worn rollers and hinges. If these parts are damaged, no amount of oil will stop the squeak, so swap them out when needed. Finally, people often forget to clean the tracks before lubricating the moving parts, which can cause jams or uneven movement. Keeping tracks clean but dry is key to avoiding these issues. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle stuff like squeaky garage doors without breaking the bank. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a cool way to find new jobs from homeowners who really need your skills.